First of all, open any web browser. Then just type the Flutter in the search bar and hit enter. After that, we will click on the Flutter's official website. Go to the top right hand corner and click on the get started button. Now select Windows option. Now you will see the latest Flutter version available on the website and in GIF format, and just click on that and make sure the download has started. Now we will unzip that downloaded file using the zip software. Now copy the folder and just click on this PC icon and go to your C drive and just paste it over there. Now open that folder and you will see a Flutter folder inside it. Now open the Flutter folder also and you will see a bin folder inside it, and open the bin folder also. Now go to the address bar and copy the bin folder's address. Now come back to this PC and go to the properties. Now go to the advanced system settings. Click on environment variables. Now you will see a path variable over there. Now simply click on the edit button. Now we will paste the bin folder address in variable value and hit OK button. In case if you don't see the path variable in your system by default, we will create a new one. Just click on the new button and then we will type the path in variable name and paste the address in variable value and hit OK button. To ensure the Flutter is working fine in our system, we are just go to our search and just type cmd and open the command prompt and just type the Flutter and hit enter, and you will see the output. If you don't see the output, then the Flutter is not working fine. Now we can also check the version of the Flutter. Just type Flutter and version and you will see the latest version of the Flutter in your system. If this video is helpful for you, then please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel.